Hey, welcome back to another video of AI Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to use Grammarly to paraphrase. To use Grammarly for paraphrasing, you can leverage its suggestion to improve clarity, style, and structure. While Grammarly doesn't have a specific paraphrase button, it offers rephrasing suggestions that can help you modify sentence and ideas. Here's how to use Grammarly to assist with paraphrasing. First of all, make sure that you have Grammarly for Windows. Now open up your text editor. Here you will see an underlined word. Click on it and you will get a suggestions. On the bottom right corner of the screen you can see a Grammarly icon. Click here and you can see all the pre-paraphrased sentences. Grammarly will automatically highlight areas that could be improved. This suggestion may include clarity and conciseness, word count and sentence structure. You can accept or modify suggestion. Click on each suggestion to see Grammarly proposed sentence. Accept the suggestion that improve your sentence or adjust the wording further to make it uniquely yours. Use Grammarly Insight as a starting point. Click on the bottom right corner in the Grammarly icon, and you can accept the changes by clicking on Accept button. You can rewrite manually as needed. Use Grammarly Insight as a starting point to ensure your text is fully paraphrased. Add your own modification to make the text even more distinct from the original. By following these steps, you can use Grammarly as an effective tool to paraphrase text accurately and professionally. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.